Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture I will explain how to create table in database. If you want to create table in database you should follow some syntax. So first we need to provide create statement. With the help of create statement we are creating database objects, right? That's why first we need to provide create. After that, whatever database objects you want to create, provide that particular database object name. In my case I'm creating table, right? So that's why I provide table. Then we should provide table name, then open parenthesis. Whatever columns you want to declare this particular table, you need to provide that particular column names here. Then along with what type of data this particular column accept, we can declare through data type along with the size. Okay, so at end we should provide comma. Whenever you should provide comma, then only it will understand there is a next consequences column available. Okay, otherwise it will consider as a this is last column. So that's why each and every end of the column we should provide comma, but not the last column. Last column we don't need to provide comma, then only Oracle database architecture understand this is a last column. Then we should close this parenthesis, ends with semicolon. Whenever you put semicolon, then entire these things considered as a one statement. Okay, now let's see. Based on this syntax I will create this particular student table. So first I will copy this particular syntax into SQL developer. Now I will comment it out this one, forward slash followed by asterisk symbol. Then entire these things become a commented out. Whenever we execute other statements, these comments won't execute. Okay, sorry, forward slash then asterisk symbol. Now this particular maximize and minimize gets enabled here. Now based on this syntax we will create student table. Now first thing we need to provide create statement, sorry, forward slash, okay, create, then create, then we should provide a table, right? A table, then we should provide table name, then open parenthesis, then what type of columns you want to uh, mention in this table name, you should declare that particular column name. So each and every student having one particular student ID, right? Student table. Okay, then each and every student having one student ID, you need to provide that particular student ID as a one column. Then what type of data this particular column accept, we can declare through data type. Let's suppose student ID, in our case I will provide in purely numeric format. Okay, then I declare as a number data type. I already explained all these data types. Then student name. So student name always in string data, right? Character data. So that's why I declare as varchar2 500 characters. This particular column allows. Then each and every student having date of birth, right? Then that will declare as a date column. So each and every student have date of joining, right? So that will also I will declare through date. Then each and student paid some fees. So fees column I will declare as numeric format. Okay, that's it. See, I declare each and every end of the column, comma, last column I don't provide comma, then close parenthesis, semicolon. So whenever you put semicolon, entire this particular statement considered as a one statement. Here it will terminate. Okay, if you don't provide semicolon, it will accept some more statement here. Now see, if I execute this one, but after that there is no statement, maybe it will execute it. See, stored in the table gets created, right? So still, if you provide a semicolon, then this particular things become a terminated backend memory. Okay, so always end of the statement you should provide semicolon. So that is mandatory thing. So I hope you understand how to create table, and we'll see some of the rules. So let's suppose first I will drop this table again. Okay, table student. I will tell you later this statement also. Now, right now, we don't have any student under this particular dev schema. Let's suppose as per this particular rules, we'll try. First rule will be always table name either in column name should begin with letter. Let's suppose I will provide first as a numeric instead of letter. I will provide as a number for each and every column. Now see, it thrown an error itself here. So it doesn't allow. Even if I remove here, columns also doesn't allow. Always either in table name, either in column name, always begin with letter. Okay, that is first rule. Second rule, table name must be unique. So entire database table name should be must be unique in this particular schema. So table name can contain combination of A to Z, okay, 0 to 9, or with the special characters. Okay, so and one more thing, column names must be unique. So here column names must be unique. So let's suppose I copy same column two times. Then now if I try to execute this particular statement, see it generate an error ORA 00957 duplicate column name error. Why? Because same column I declared two times in same table. So this particular things not allowed. Okay, remember this one. But and one more thing, in between table name and column name spaces not allowed. So spaces it thrown an error. See, it won't execute. Even I provide table name as a space, missing or invalid option error will generate. Really, if you want to space, you can fulfill through this underscore option. Okay, student table like this you can fulfill. Okay, don't provide space in the table name. Even column names also same. Okay, always if you really want to space, then you fulfill through underscore. Okay, then it considered as a continuous columns name. If you provide space, it will not allow. See, it immediately thrown in this particular red color highlighted error. Okay, so I hope you understand all the table rules, how to create table in database. So in next lecture I will provide some kind of assignments. You can uh, create that particular tables in database. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you. Now I will execute this particular statement. See, student table gets created. Okay, so this way we can create tables in database. So thank you.